Hey y'all, what's up? How's it going? I'm still here at the Bridgeville self-serve laundromat here at Bridgeville, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Bridgeville. Getting ready to download the first HP washer. Stone dark. This one has darks in it, so we're gonna look. She also the vendor is a friend of mine. Another vendor, worker is a friend of mine. That's hard. So let's see. All right, here we go. We're gonna unload the washer. This one and those two other are finished on the spin side. Here we go. Okay, no one's done. Let's go check on the other third. This one's still on the final spin cycle. Let's go check on this one. I just tried the claw machine. Nothing good. I almost had two singers. Yeah, final spin on 3 minutes. 2 minutes. I don't get to see these two run. Last week I saw that one. I could see that one run often. This one run often. I'm taking break when it comes. I saw that one run. I used that one last time, and I don't get this. Next time I'm gonna use this one right there. The one plus one more. We'll see how it goes. I have to check. I'm gonna check on the other one. Now after this time, I'm gonna try the claw machine. This one has about 2 minutes left. So next time we're gonna use this one, and then probably this one, and then probably alright, because I use these a lot. This one 2 times, this one 2 times. I want to see that one run 2 times. And probably these 2 next time. These 2 right here, we'll see how it goes. This is my last time washing that. I think this is no, it's not gonna be able to work. I was gonna try. Oh, alright, this one's done. This one's done too. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna call my mom in just a second. Mom! Come! Come here. Yeah. No, I'll take care of it.
No. What do you want me to do?
Take this basket.
Alright.
No.
You got the other basket?
I don't, yeah.
Yeah. I just have one basket.
go.
Okay. All right. Load them up. What we got?
Oh, one more thing.
Yeah. Want me to unload these?
No, I'll take care of it.
All right. You need this basket?
Yeah.
Make it easier. Put them right in here. Okay, one more load.
Yeah.
Got it. That makes sense. All right. I'm gonna pick this up. It'll be easier with wheels. Okay. All right. Go over here and load this one.
Yeah.
Want me to do it?
I'll open the door.
This on top, hold it down. Okay.
Yeah. That's it.
Okay. We're good?
All right, guys. Thanks for watching.